Hi everyone, today I am introducing 19 brand new bag making fabrics that just hit our website at sewyours.com. We have added a dozen brand new printed vinyls in the Saffiano texture. We have added 4 water resistant canvas prints, a couple of brand new distressed faux leathers, and lastly an embossed vinyl. Let's take a closer look at each one. Let's start the show with the cutest little critters. We have cats, dogs, and birds. We have 4 themed vinyls, again in the Saffiano texture. First up is our Pet Shop Pals that feature cats and dogs on a white background. I can envision a child's backpack or a purse with this vinyl. It's super cute. Next up, we have our Rainbow Cats. So if you are a cat lover, you're going to have to get the Rainbow Cats vinyl. We have my personal favorite, which is Painted Perch. This is going to pair with many of our different solid fabrics. I have done some matchmaker photos in each of the listings for some of my favorite pairings. So you can pick one of the prints and match it up with a solid and know that they're going to look great together. And lastly, we know you love your owls, so we brought in a brand new owl print for you called Hoot and Hollow. Next up, we brought a couple of prints in that we have in other products that we know you would love in the printed vinyl. So we have our Glam Jam now available in printed vinyl, as well as our Library Retreat. So if you are getting the Glam Jam today, you could also get the coordinating cotton, or you could get the jelly vinyl in the Glam Jam. And the Library Retreat is also available in Linertex. We've also added 4 new geometric, or if you want to call them abstract prints. First up is Misty Weave, Inked Layers, Dusty Plaid, which is one of my favorite. I love it with our gray Harrison suede. And we have Autumn Cascade, which is perfect for your fall handbags. We've added 1 floral printed vinyl called Dusty Floral, and it is absolutely stunning. Next up, we are introducing a brand new product line called our Distressed Grain Faux Leathers. We brought in 2 introductory colors. First up, we have Rosewood Mauve. This is a dusty purple with a little hint of pink in it. And then we have Terracotta. I think that the Rosewood Mauve pairs absolutely stunning with the Hoot and Hollow. As soon as we received the new product line, we knew we had to get it in more colors. So our next order is going to include 3 additional colors in the Distressed Grain Faux Leather collection. So look for that in the future. Here is a fun one for you, our Merglow Mermaid Embossed Vinyl. Love the colors in this one with the gold flecks. One of our local customers, I think, has already come in and bought 3 rolls. She loved it so much. We have it available in limited quantities, but don't worry if we sell out. We do plan to order again in the future, but it could be a little while before we get the mermaid vinyl in. So if you love it, grab it while it's available now. 3 of our brand new printed water-resistant canvases that we know you're going to love is our Harvest Blocks. This one has been selling like hotcakes here in our store in Dunellen, Florida. Then we have our Cozy Canopy, perfect for fall. And lastly, we have Folk Dance. I'm going to close out the show with our Dental Dance printed vinyl and our Smile Squad water-resistant canvas. You might be asking, Melissa, why on earth would you design a fabric with teeth on it? Well, a little background is about 20 years ago, I used to sell tote bags that were made of cotton on eBay. And one of my best-selling totes that I would sell again and again was a cotton fabric that I had little smiling teeth on them. So I remembered that and thought it would be a great idea to recreate my own version of a smiling teeth print. And that is why I came up with the Dental Dance. And once I finished that, I knew I needed a lining, so that's why I did the Smile Squad. So this is going to be great if for the upcoming holidays. If you have anyone in your life in the dental field, this is going to be a super cute tote bag that they can carry to and from work, or you can make a backpack or any other bag for that matter, and show your appreciation for that dental hygienist, dental assistant, or dentist in your life. I personally showed my thanks to my dentist a couple of years ago by making them a purse, and in the lining, I had some of that dental fabric left over, so I added that to the lining, and she was over the moon, super happy for the gift that I had given her. So that's just a little idea for you and a background why I came up with this particular themed print. Shop all of our bag making fabrics on our website at sewyours.com. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can start shopping today. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.